Here are 10 geography facts about the United States. The United States is divided into 50 states. However, these states are different in size. The smallest one is Rhode Island with an area of 3,144 square kilometers. In contrast, Alaska is the largest state in the United States with an area of over 1.7 million square kilometers. The United States of America is one of the countries with the longest coastline in the world. Among the states in the country, Alaska has the longest coastline with 6,640 miles of coastline. The longest river in the United States is the Missouri River, which is also one of the longest rivers in the world. Beginning in the mountains of Montana, the Missouri River passes through 4 more states before finally reaching St. Louis. After the river reaches St. Louis, it joins the Mississippi River and then flows to the Mississippi River Delta in the Gulf of Mexico. The Mississippi River is the second longest river in the United States, starting from the state of Minnesota and ending in the Gulf of Mexico. The Missouri and Mississippi rivers join together to form the 4th largest river system in the world. The Missouri is 2,540 miles long and the Mississippi 2,340 miles long. Rivers have always been important to people living in the United States since ancient times. Mount Denali is the highest mountain in the United States and the North American continent. This peak, which has a height of about 6,190 meters, is located in the Alaska Range in the interior of the state of Alaska. Denali is considered the 3rd most prominent and 3rd most isolated peak on Earth after Mount Everest and Mount Aconcagua. The United States is the 3rd most populous country in the world with a population of 332 million. The 5 most populous states in the country are California, Texas, Florida, New York, and Pennsylvania. About 39 million people live in the state of California, and the Californian population is similar to the entire population of Canada. In addition to the states belonging to the US, there are also several administrative regions belonging to the country. These are located in the Caribbean Sea and the Pacific Ocean. American Samoa, Guam, Northern Mariana Islands, Puerto Rico, and the US Virgin Islands are the only inhabited regions. The rest of the administrative areas are uninhabited small islands. The flag of the United States has 13 white and red stripes and 50 white stars on a blue background. The 13 columns represent the 13 British colonies that declared independence from Great Britain in 1776, and the 50 stars represent the 50 US states. The United States shares borders with Canada and Mexico. The border shared with Canada is also the longest international border in the world. Its length is 5,525 miles. The other international border with Mexico is 1,954 miles long. USA is bordered by the Atlantic Ocean along the east coast and the Pacific Ocean along the west coast. 3 of the world's supervolcanoes are located in the United States. The magma chamber of a supervolcano is many times larger than a conventional volcano, and therefore supervolcanoes can be called a type of volcano that can cause the largest and the most destructive eruptions on Earth. The United States has a land area of 3.8 million square miles. That is more than twice the size of the European Union. The European Union has an area of about 1.7 million square miles.